Hello guys, I'm IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get updated notifications. Please do like and provide your comments so that we can receive your feedback. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. So here, if you can see, we are unboxing G-Shock model number GA-110GW-7ADR and the module number is 5146. Inside the box, we got a Casio-GShock International warranty card. So this time it's GA-110GW-7ADR model number, which we are unboxing. Comes in a metal box, a standard metal box in black color. Inside the box we have a booklet, a user guide for module number 51465425. This user guide comes in multi languages. So here you can see a G-Shock in shiny white color. So it's a white and black combination. As you can see, the inside of the dial is jet black color, including the display. The outside material of the band and the face of the watch is shiny white color. So as you can see, again it has a resin band, rigid black buttons. From the back of the metal plate, you can see the model number 1GA-110GW, stainless steel, water resist and a shock resistance. So a good casual watch that you can wear on your weekends. So a pretty shiny white color, but not looks that bad. So it's a pretty nice shiny white color. So we must go for it. So inside the dial, you can see a digital and an analog time. Again, a mineral glass, a 200-meter water resist, and gives 29 time zones. A stopwatch and all the necessary features that comes with a standard G-Shock. So here you can see from the mode, you can set the stopwatch, the alarm, and the time again. And from the adjustment button, you can set the time zone. Here on pressing the reverse button, you can let the LED. And here forward button, if you press, you will see the date and month. So a pretty good watch. It's shiny, but it won't look that bad. It's not that shiny that will bright on your, looks brighter on your hand. A very perfect watch, a combination of black and white. The price range of this G-Shock model cost around $150 to $200. So a very nice watch with all the necessary standard G-Shock functionalities. So hope you liked this video. Please do like and provide your comments. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.